Here he comes.
He's running.
Yeah.
Hey.
Careful of the fence, buddy. Hi, Red. There you go, bud. Good job. Okay, let him chew that up and then you can give him the next one. Just wait a minute. Logan, put it through the fence so he doesn't have to touch the barbed wire. Red. You did it, didn't you?
Yeah.
You petting his nose. Okay. Red.
Hey, Red.
Uh-oh.
It fall down my hand.
He got it, didn't he?
Yeah.
Here, last one.
Last big one.
That's a big one, isn't it?
Yeah. Ah, you.
Good job, buddy. Okay.
I beat him all the carrots.
You did, didn't you?
Yeah.
Alright, you want to say goodbye to him?
Goodbye, Red.
Bye, Red.
We don't have any more carrots.
Bye, Red. Good boy.
We don't have any more carrots.
Careful, remember these are sharp.
But we don't have any more carrots.
That was enough.
Ah!
Alright.